We hope you enjoyed the last video. Today we're going to go more in depth and show you a little bit more of our training, and then we're going to take a tour around the station. Today we're training with ground ladders. We practice using them so that we can put them up quickly when people need them. A rope called a halyard is used to extend our big ladders. We make sure to always wear protective gear like helmets when using a ladder. Here we're practicing carrying tools up a ladder and accessing a window. Sometimes we need to use our tools inside or on the roof, and we have to be very safe when we're climbing the ladder with them. Let's take a look inside the truck. Pretend you're in the driver's seat. Let's start the pump. This is our pump panel, and this is how water gets to the hose. The water pump takes water from the tank so we can use it to put out a fire. And we use the pump panel to control the water. Our nozzles come with lots of different attachments that we can use to put out different types of fire. The big pieces of hose that we have on the back of our trucks are for supplying the truck with water. We attach it to a hydrant in order to get a water supply. These are extrication tools, or jaws of life. We use these to help people that are trapped in a car. It's time to go look at the station. At our station's where we live most of the time. We have a full kitchen in order to cook meals, and a living area to relax when we have downtime. We also have a workout room so we can stay in shape.